We are camping at Sharonda Lake, and Charlie is playing with the acorns and learning not to eat them. Don't eat it.
Thank you. That's a rock.
What's in his mouth?
No.
Looks like he put something in his mouth. Charlie, open your mouth. Oh, if he swallowed, I'm going to assume it's not an acorn. Uh-oh. You were doing pretty well on that hill there.
We got it. Let's go. One big step. Oh!
Thank you. I smell something. We're gonna have to check your diaper. Thank you.
Get all the leaves. These don't belong on you.
They're right here. Okay, that'll work.
That's right. Keep the campsite clean.
Yes, we have Charlie on cleanup.
His pants are coming off. Walking away.
Poor baby. Did you find another one? Alright, good job. That's right. Say, get out of my campsite. Uh-oh. Fall over.
Probably because his pants are around his knees.